How many of you say it will increase? Not sure. Okay, you're not sure. Okay. So this means we have to do it. Can we do it? Okay. So now you are going to take a blood from my body and you put, should I sit? Okay. यहाँ बैठना? Okay. So what I'm doing now, I'm taking the blood from my body and I have this glucose inside it. I'll put the glucose in the blood. Before putting in the blood, I'll check the blood sugar. That is my normal blood sugar. Right? And when I'll check with the glucometer, the camera is there on the stage. The cameraman, can you come close so that you can zoom in who will zoom in? Okay. Yeah. Okay. Take it. Now the blood is out. Now we'll check what is my blood sugar reading. Please check the blood sugar reading. Yeah. No. Okay. I'll help myself. Take. What is the reading? Reading is 160. Can you see the reading? Okay, it is 160. Now, I put, what is this? First is glucose. Where is glucose? Where is glucose? Here it is glucose. Yeah, put it in the glucose. Now I'm adding the blood to the glucose. Okay. Nikal Rai? Sorry. Now I'm adding. Take. Yeah. Now check the reading, what happens. It is high. High means beyond 500. So my normal sugar was 160 without adding. When I added glucose, it became more than 500. If I add fructose, the other sugar which is more sweeter than glucose, what will happen? Let's see. Now add fructose. So in another packet, this here I have fructose inside it along with the blood, and now see what happens. It became 109. 109. Can you see in the screen? Yeah. Can you zoom in, or should I come closer to the? So it is 109 now. Fructose. यहाँ पे है, देखिए तो. Great. Fructose is found in fruits. When you eat fruits in larger quantity, it reduces the blood sugar. If you are a diabetes patient, and if you promise that every day you will eat 1 kg of mango, or 1 dozen of banana, or grapes as much as you feel like, within few days, you cannot remain diabetes patient. You cannot remain diabetes patient. The lie of 100 years, don't eat mango. Because they know, if they eat mango, they will be cured. And if they get cured, who will come to us? I have published my research paper on this. My research paper got published in a respected journal, Journal of Metabolic Syndrome. You can check on the Google, you'll find that. So in that research paper, I've proved all this. And now, when the authorities of health, they know that I'm going to expose it, now they know, then all the equation will change. Try to understand, because of diabetes and other related complication in India, in last 10 years, India has lost $237 billion, which is just $100 billion less than this year's total budget of the country. So, the moment you know the truth, most of you will get cured, and our gain is the loss of somebody else. I'll not name, only I will say, the diabetes medicine which you are buying, especially the insulin. Do you know there are only 3 companies who control 99% of the insulin market? 99% of the insulin market. So, if you don't buy insulin, and thank you. If you don't buy insulin, then the rich country will become poor. And this means the money will not go out of your India, and the equation will change. Thank you. Now, why the blood sugar went down? Let me explain.